Now let's talk sunflower oil. It's a staple, isn't it? Found in pantries far and wide. A familiar, friendly bottle. Its light taste, its versatility. These make it a kitchen champion. From sizzling stir-fries to delicate golden baked goods. It truly does it all, folks. A reliable culinary companion indeed. You see it on the shelves. You probably use it often. But have you ever stopped to think about its journey, its creation? How does that tiny, unassuming seed transform into this liquid sunshine? It's a fascinating process, a blend of nature's magic and human ingenuity. This oil isn't just popular by chance, it boasts a high smoke point, perfect for frying, searing, browning without breaking down too quickly or creating those nasty off flavors. It also has a neutral flavor profile, letting your ingredients truly shine. So why this deep dive? Because understanding our food is crucial. Sunflower oil is more than just fat. Let's embark on that journey together. It all begins with a seed, not just any seed, mind you. We're talking specific sunflower varieties, bred for high oil content and resilience against pests. Farmers choose wisely. The right genetics are paramount. For a successful, bountiful harvest, think of it as casting for a star. Only the best will make the cut. Once the perfect seeds are chosen, the next step is preparing the land. The soil needs to be just right, well-drained, fertile, and ready. Modern farmers use advanced techniques, like soil testing, precision tilling, to create the ideal seedbed. This isn't just plowing anymore. It's science ensuring optimal conditions for those tiny seeds to thrive. Planting itself is a high-tech affair. Today, GPS-guided planters are used. These machines ensure precise spacing and an accurate planting depth. Every seed gets its designated spot. This maximizes sunlight exposure and minimizes competition for resources. The timing of planting is also critical. It's a delicate dance with Mother Nature. After planting, the waiting game begins, but it's not a passive wait. The young sunflower seedlings emerge, tiny green shoots reaching for the sky. They require consistent care now: water, nutrients, and protection. Irrigation systems play a vital role, especially in drier regions. Drip irrigation, pivot sprinklers, delivering water efficiently. Sunflowers are heliotropic. Their flower heads follow the sun, tracking its path across the sky. This maximizes their solar energy absorption, fueling their growth and seed development. They are nature's own solar panels. Ingenious, isn't it? Farmers also need to manage weeds and protect against potential pests. Integrated pest management (IPM) is key. This approach combines biological controls, cultural practices, and targeted treatments, minimizing reliance on harsh chemicals. It's about smart, sustainable farming, protecting the crop and the environment. The journey from seedling to mature plant takes several months. The stalks grow tall and sturdy, the iconic yellow petals unfurl. Soon, it will be time to reap. Knowing when to harvest is an art, and a science of course. Farmers look for specific visual cues. The back of the sunflower head turns yellow, then a rich deep brown hue. The bright petals will droop and dry, and the seeds themselves become plump and hard, with low moisture content. This indicates peak oil accumulation. Modern harvesting is a marvel of machinery. Large combine harvesters, specifically designed or adapted for sunflowers, roam the fields. They cut the sturdy stalks efficiently. Then, they separate the heavy heads from the rest of the plant material. This process is swift, minimizing losses, and ensuring the seeds are gathered quickly. Inside the combine, more magic happens. A threshing mechanism takes over. It gently but firmly dislodges the seeds from the dried sunflower heads. The seeds are then collected in a hopper, while the leftover plant matter, the chaff, is often spread back onto the field, returning organic material to the soil. The journey from field to facility is the next crucial step. Section 5. The pressing issue: extracting liquid gold with modern might. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the sunflower seeds aren't immediately pressed. First, they undergo a thorough cleaning. This removes any lingering field debris. Sophisticated machinery is used here: vibrating screens, air aspirators, ensuring only pure seeds proceed. Cleanliness is next to oiliness, folks. Next up, for many modern processes, is a step called dehulling. This means removing the outer shell, or husk, from the sunflower seed kernel. The kernel is where the oil resides. Dehulling increases the oil yield and improves the quality of the meal. Specialized dehulling machines crack the shells and separate them from the kernels. Now for the main event, oil extraction, modern methods are highly efficient. The most common is screw pressing, also known as expeller pressing. The dehulled kernels are crushed and fed into a large screw press. This machine exerts immense mechanical pressure, literally squeezing the oil out. Alternatively, some facilities use solvent extraction, often after an initial pressing. The solvent is then carefully evaporated and recovered for reuse, leaving behind the crude oil. Both methods yield that precious liquid gold. Section 6. Refinement and purity. Polishing the perfect product. The oil extracted, whether by press or solvent, is known as crude sunflower oil. It's not quite ready for your kitchen yet. It might contain impurities, things like phospholipids, free fatty acids, pigments, and moisture particles. These can affect flavor, stability, appearance. So, the next stage is refinement, a multi-step purification process to create that clear, stable oil. First up is often degumming. This step removes phosphatides or gums. Water or acid is mixed with the oil, causing these gums to precipitate. They are then separated by centrifuge. Next comes neutralization or alkali refining. This removes free fatty acids which can cause rancidity, improving the oil's shelf life. Then there's bleaching, but not with chlorine. This process uses natural clays like bentonite or Fuller's earth. These clays absorb color pigments and other minor impurities, making the oil lighter in color and cleaner in taste. Finally, we have deodorization. This crucial step removes any remaining unwanted odors and flavors, resulting in a bland, neutral-tasting oil. Section 7. Eco-considerations and innovations greening the golden stream. Now, producing all this golden goodness does have an environmental footprint. Water usage in agriculture is a big one. Sunflowers are relatively drought-tolerant, which is a definite plus. But large-scale farming still needs water. Modern irrigation techniques are helping drip systems, soil moisture sensors, to use water more efficiently. Pesticide and herbicide use is another concern. Protecting crops is necessary, but overuse can harm ecosystems. Integrated pest management or IPM strategies are becoming increasingly common. These focus on prevention, monitoring, and using less toxic alternatives first. The processing side also has impacts: energy consumption for pressing, refining, and the use of solvents like hexane. Though hexane is largely recovered, there's always room for improvement. Innovations are focusing on greener tech, more energy-efficient machinery, exploring alternative, safer solvents, or even solvent-free extraction methods. The industry is evolving, adapting. The leftover meal after oil extraction is actually quite valuable. This kind of circular economy thinking is vital for sustainable production. Section 8. Health and Hearth, the versatile virtues of sunflower oil. So, after this incredible journey from tiny seed to glistening oil, what are we left with? A remarkably versatile cooking medium, and one with some pretty good health cred. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Helps protect your cells from damage. It's also low in saturated fats. Instead, it's packed with unsaturated fats, primarily polyunsaturated and monounsaturated. High oleic sunflower oil, for example, is particularly rich in monounsaturated fats, similar to olive oil. These fats are considered heart-healthy, helping to maintain good cholesterol levels. Everything in moderation, folks. In the kitchen, its uses are legion. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for frying chicken to a perfect crisp, sautéing vegetables to tender perfection, or searing a beautiful piece of fish. Its neutral flavor won't overpower your carefully chosen ingredients. It lets the food be the star, which is exactly what a good oil should do. A true culinary workhorse. From dressings and marinades to baking cakes, muffins, and bread, sunflower oil plays its part beautifully. It adds moisture, creates tender crumbs, it emulsifies, bringing things together. So, the next time you reach for that bottle, remember the fields of nodding flowers, the complex machinery, the careful science that brought this liquid sunshine to you, a modern marvel from seed to your table.